Uniswap is the leading decentralized exchange in the crypto world. Although there have been quite a few DEX or decentralized exchanges that have come up, Uniswap has been able to retain its position for some time. Uniswap is built on the Ethereum network, and of late, the gas price on the Ethereum network has not made it easy for traders to trade on the Uniswap exchange. Uni is the governance token for the Uniswap exchange. So, in today's video, we are going to take a closer look at Uni, do a technical analysis, and also provide a price prediction for the Uni token. So, you definitely don't want to miss this.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and today I welcome you on Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Furthermore, if you have any doubts on any cryptocurrency and want us to analyze that, you can head over to Telegram and join our family. You can click on the link given in the description below. Further, if you would like to read more about cryptocurrencies and increase your knowledge, make sure you visit our website when we post interesting articles about the happenings in the crypto world. Also on the website, what you can do is you can click on this crypto consulting session and land on this page, which will take you to a form. You fill up this form and our experts will give you a call at a convenient time. This will be a paid service. Now, let's move on. Uniswap or Uni is currently the number 9th ranked token in the world with a market cap of around $21 billion. In the past 30 days, it has given a return of 46%. Now, let's jump on to the technicals and the chart. So, we are currently on the Uni USD daily chart. And here what we can see is Uni has been actually following a trend line for some time. So this is the trend line that it has been following, and it has been actually trading above this trend line since January 2021. Now, one of the other things that we need to look into is a resistance level as well. So the resistance level for Uni was at around the $33 level or so. So this was the more or less the resistance level for Uniswap. It was around the levels of $33 to $35, wherein we tried to break it quite a few times, but then again we got rejected and we came down to this trend line. But finally we were able to break it on the 26th of April, and since we have been trending over this trend line. Now let's take a quick look on the weekly chart and see what we have in store for us. So currently we are on the weekly chart of Uni USD, and one of the things that I would like to highlight here, which is the resistance level that I was talking to you about at about $34-$35. So this is much more clearer in this particular chart. On the weekly time frame, here we can see that only in this past week Uni has been able to break above this resistance level of $34-$35 and is currently trading at around $41. Now, apart from this, there is one more pattern that I would like to show to you on this particular chart, and that is basically the bull flag that was getting formed, and we have been able to break it finally, right? So this was the bull flag that we were building on Uniswap ever since the beginning of March, and all we know from the past is bull flags are like very, very bullish patterns, and they actually give us quite a good target for us as far as the pricing is concerned. So let's do a quick measurement of the price. So for the price, we will just measure the pole of the flag. So there needs to be a straight line. So we take this pole and place it on the point where the breakout happened, and we have our price target. So the first price target for the bull flag is at around $63. Okay, so that is the next level that I would like to keep an eye on. Now let's take a quick look on what is the stochastic RSI saying and where is the momentum. So on the stochastic RSI, what we are seeing is basically, if we just zoom into this thing, that the blue line has actually entered the zone above 20. Now the next thing for us to look into would be when it actually crosses above the red line. So that is another important criteria for the stochastic RSI to be valid. So you need to keep an eye on when this thing crosses. Next, let's quickly analyze the RSI. So the RSI on the weekly is actually showing a rebound of the level of 64, which is pretty nice, and it's currently in the overbought zone. But the data here is not sufficient. So let's go to the daily chart and find out what is the RSI saying over there. So the RSI on the daily was actually printing lower highs ever since January. So this was a bearish divergence that was getting formed, but recently we have been able to break it and trend above this line. So you can see right here. So we broke it and closed at around 68, whereas the previous close was around 67 or so. So we have been able to, poke out of that bearish divergence. That is another great news for us. Now let's take a quick look on the Uni BTC chart. So we are on the Uni BTC chart here, and the first thing that comes to my notice is the wonderful structure that this chart has been forming right from the last week of January, or from the beginning of February. The structure that I want to talk to you about is this kind of a structure wherein we go up considerably, then have a correction of around 43% this time. Again we went up, made a new higher high. That was important for us. Then we again came back and corrected at around the 33%. Same thing happened here as well. When we went up, this time we did not make a higher high, but again we came down, we corrected by 20%, and the recent time also we made a higher high and we came down and corrected by 15%. So this is a wonderful market structure that Uni has been printing on the Uni BTC chart basically. So this is a very good sign. Apart from that, the trend line is also this is holding the trend line to the T. So this is another wonderful structure that's getting played out. And also there was a resistance level at these levels of 62,500 satoshis. So now we have been able to break above it, and now Uni is coming down, but we need to treat this as a support. So that is very important. Now for the price prediction for this market cycle, let's head over to the Uni USD chart. So currently we are on the Uni USD chart, and for the price prediction what I need to do is I will be plotting the Fibonacci, and let's plot the Fibonacci quickly. So we have the Fibonacci right here. As we can see, there was a big resistance at around the $34 level, as well as we can see from the Fibonacci. However, the zone of 27 proved to be a good support area, wherein we actually traded in this zone from 27 to 34 for quite a few days. Now let's take a look as to what are the important levels and what are the price targets for this complete market cycle. So the next target for Uni USD would be at around the $68 level. So we saw in the bull flag that our price target there was at around $63. So this as far as the Fibonacci is concerned, it's around those levels only. It's around $63 to $68. So that is another important level. The next level that we would be looking at would be around $110. And finally, for this market cycle, as far as the Fibonacci is concerned, I believe that we might be clicking at around $180. That is what the Fibonacci is saying. But if you have to ask me personally, for me, the level to look out for would be $200. This is not financial advice. These are my personal opinions. You can do your own research, and if you are not sure about how to do your own research, we made a video on that. You can click the eye icon above my head and you can actually see that video. Also, while doing your own research, you can actually treat our video as a resource for your research. Now the main question comes whether you should be buying Uniswap right now or not. As far as I'm concerned, I bought Uniswap right back at these $27, $26 levels. Now I am not looking to add any further positions, but if you do not hold any Uniswap, what you should be doing for that, what I would strongly recommend is basically let's head over to the weekly chart first. So on the weekly chart, what you need to do is basically you need to see whether we treat this resistance level of 34 as a support or not. If we are able to treat this as a support in the coming week, then probably you may consider adding Uni to your portfolio. Again, this is not financial advice. You need to do your own research. These are my personal opinions. So do comment below and let me know if you hold any Uniswap in your portfolio, or whether you are looking to add any portfolio, also smash the like button if you like the content and would like us to do further analysis of any other tokens. Also, make sure you join our Telegram channel where we like to discuss more about cryptocurrencies or any projects that you would be interested in. So you can click on the link given in the description below. Also, what you can do is you can head over to our website and book an crypto consulting session. So this is a paid service. This would be a one-on-one session with our crypto experts. So you make sure you have at least one session with our crypto experts. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Stay blessed, stay happy, and take very good care of yourself, and share this video with at least one person in your network.